Hello, good morning students. Children, note writing is a very common thing. We have already written notes to our family members, to our friends, expressing our gratitude because they have given you something on your birthday. You remember that. We also write notes when we show our gratitude, means we are thankful when maybe your friend has helped you when you were absent in the school for a long time and you missed some notes. We also write note to appreciate somebody. He has done something great. Maybe he has stood first in some exam. So we appreciate. Then we write a note. Sometimes children, it so happens that your parents had to leave for an urgent work and you are in school. When you go back home, you find your house is locked and you open it and find a note which is written by your mother reminding you to do certain work because she had to leave for an emergency and she could not tell you what are the things you should do. So in this way, reminder, in your mobiles also you must have seen there is a option for note writing where we sometimes type and write down the things we have to remind, like somebody's birthday or anniversary, whatever. So it's a reminding note. Okay, so note writing is very simple. It is written in simple and language and it is very short. It means you don't have to write in an elaborate way. We can write notes to informal, it is an informal way to your family members or friends or whoever it is. Okay. Children, here we have an exercise where we have to read the note and correct it. So note writing is given here. You have to read and find out some mistake in it and you have to correct it. It is given in your workbook page number 54. Children, it is theme 4 worksheet 4. Theme 4 worksheet 4 and it is given in page number 54. You have to write in the next page, that is 55 page number. There is a blank space given. Okay. So what we have to do, we read the passage first. Once you read, you will understand. Dear Mummy and Daddy, I once tell you how much I love you both. I love to be honesty and hardworking to you. I also learns to be careless and generous. When I grew up, I wanted to be good human like you. I felt I am the luckiest person because I have parents like you. Children, as you can understand that there are many errors in this note. The child writes to the parents thanking and appreciating that he feels lucky that he has parents like them. Okay? But children, when we are using the first person I, we cannot use with the verb s. I writes wrong. I eats wrong. I has wrong. It should be I write, I eat, I have. So let us find out what are the mistakes and we will correct it. Take my chalk and my duster. Dear Mummy and Daddy, this is correct. Okay? I want, no. I want. So I rub this S. S will not be there. When you write it down, children, write in a proper way. I want tell you. No, there is something missing. I want to tell you. Yes? Preposition to should be there. I want to tell you. I want to tell you how much I love. No, I love. How much I love you both. I learns. Again, no. Children, S is used with the verb when it is in third person singular. When we are talking he learns, she learns, it goes. Okay? So in this way, I learn to be honesty. No. Honesty. No. I learn to be honest. Honesty, we cannot write. Honesty, no. I want to be honest like you. Okay. And hardworking, to you name. Like you means in how you are there, I want to be like them. So I learned to be honest. I learned to be honest means he has learned how to be honest and hardworking like you. I also learns to be careless. No, I learn to be careless. No, careless is just the opposite. You are not at all good. You don't know where you have done or kept your things. I also learn to be careless and generous. No, careful. I learn to be careful and generous. And here the question mark will not come. Now, if I change this word learn, I want to be careful. No, I want to be careful and generous. I also want to be careful and generous. I also want to be careful and generous. When I grew up, now this is past tense. Now he has not grew up. It is future. So when I grew up, I want, not wanted, I want to be good human like you. When I grow up, I want to be good human like you. I felt, no, I feel. Felt is already gone. I feel I am the luckiest person because I have parents like me. I want to tell you how much I love you both. I learned to be honest and hardworking like you. I also want to be careful and generous. When I grow up, I want to be good human like you. I feel I am the luckiest person because I have parents like you. So in this way, you have to write a thank you note, children. Thank you note always have somebody at the end, means someone name should be written. Okay, so that you have to write. You can write your name. I am writing mine. Okay, or some person, child's name, maybe Akash. When you write a thank you note, there should be the name at the end, the person, because here referred to mommy and daddy is given, so you have to write it. Okay, in this way you can write this exercise in your workbook. Thank you.